Yasa share be me was smart Ghana update so news update any bread we say the best more. Meaning the Ajwa Echampoma, Uncle Gossiprat Junior or no and I am managing editor the mother insight newspapers. Wakasana na for COVID-19 hon sema ati sign a report about one thing was a oxygen new and oxygen to be a ne sign mamma no kumpu edna down for be the brother in law example as on no could do and I can say oxygen in and I'm so many panel actually nkwa na no what they say now oxygen so anything o muso on one scientist na so kakra watete and say from aye na ma ye humi koyemu na ye humi bi ba abonten no emu 70% aye nitrogen and emu 20% aye oxygen eti de yan say wo be separate nitrogen from oxygen no na je say no ne sa ne ma na no je say Ghana je se bibie enu ye Nigeria fo atimi akeka won ho aboma ye oxygen de tira Ghana intimi ye oxygen e wo say aban no say wo say wo kwakọ hospitals na ye dia solve problem ya de no se da bi time we your time are critical. Now critical time no is about oxygen. Say we be call hospital obenya bi e dey asi no so watimi ahome na wonyane nkwa. Enye hospital CSM. Etisika no de ba kozi sa 38 hospitals no. Won hwe no mo fa solve sa critical enema na e ho bibi te oxygen ni bi. Yegoti ankokosi pratim bra ye ba de di ho no e yenkomobo.
The inadequate supply of oxygen, and all of us know that the supply of oxygen is vital for the management of COVID-19 cases. Now, at a time when some countries are actually in space, at the time that some countries, including Nigeria, are in space, if Ghana is not in a position to produce oxygen for its hospitals, we should be very deeply worried. What does it take to produce oxygen? I mean, I'm not a scientist. The basic science teaches us that the ordinary air we breathe, I mean, when you walk out into any space and you breathe oil and so air and so on, about 70% of that air we breathe is made up of nitrogen, and around 20% is made up of oxygen. You produce oxygen by going through a process which separates nitrogen from oxygen in order to get 100% concentration of oxygen for patients. Now, this one thing we can do. This simple process of separating nitrogen from oxygen is so difficult that Ghana cannot do. And you don't have to import the nitrogen, you don't have to import the oxygen. The air we breathe, anywhere you go, the air you get has 70% nitrogen and about 20% oxygen. This one too, we can't do. I have a friend who lost his brother-in-law because there wasn't enough oxygen to cater for his condition. He lost his brother-in-law only last week as a result of the inadequate supply of oxygen. Why? Even in the so-called advanced countries of this world and so on, given the situation of the pandemic and so on, they are beginning to improvise. They are using tents. You understand? They are using tents to extend their facilities and so on. If we need dedicated outpatients departments for COVID cases and so on, at least in places like the Ridge Hospital, what prevents us from building tents? Building tents too has become impossible for Ghana. Tents! Ordinary tents as outpatients department. We can't do that. Even in this emergency, if you want to increase the bed facilities available for the management of COVID-19 cases, why don't you produce tents? Why do we have to build 38 hospitals before we have to deal with these matters? Knowing fully well that we don't have the capacity to build 38 hospitals at the emergency stage. The police hospital in Accra, the renovation of the police hospital in Accra has taken 17 years. We haven't completed. Renovation, not building. The Body Polyclinic, which was pulled down, go and see the situation there and so on. So building hospital is not an option given our track record and so on. Common sense dictates that we should take emergency measures to deal with this emergency. And the only sensible emergency measure we can take right now is to use tents for the management of COVID-19 cases and so on.
And some Nigeria continue to be free Uncle Kosipra Junior or Ediabano, Segana, Yankaka, Nianga saying, your own oxygen. It's just so ever be dear Simu Elcomo. Jack.
Over.
Then a Bibiaboko.
No, you are the vocal.
There's a tango this Friday.
Saturday and Sunday near Kodia home.
Saturday. Uncle Kosipra Junior. Was a Ghana. Say Nigeria for it, you have a home or oxygen. Yes, you're
on the time we compare ourselves to another country, which is somehow good. But to the business and yet quite right in the way say Nigeria population it should be tenor and it is a Ghana. So what I say, and the almost dozen in terms of development in infrastructure and normal brain, they have conform betimi aboa ama nimdia kura na besikasem ene sa normal na Nigeria. You know that Nigeria there are gurus of home woska. Nonetheless ni nyina so gina yadesua kwan abeboa ma ye de yetimi asua de du achi ama sa normal na yehia sanka betimi enya aboa ye man no aboa ya adesua because oman bia adesua ne na ho the knowledge is power. The Nigeria for timi aya chese yenso so yesi timi duru ba bi betimi aya impo ye wako boro omo patent na se kwan fa so mo timi ye ne so yetimi aya bia anka beboa eno so na nchen no so ka tent 7 say adenti na yem tent. So what you say with regards to oxygen 7 anyway no say na we busade but me can prekona ye di hon komo. Okay other countries ni bi wo no ma your country bi wo no ma mo sheda a tent because of hospitals no nurse need no tent and your country bi me say me countries need your country bi wo na the member ba ko bi say Dubai uko Dubai a bo mutimi bo tent be bia say ahana company kase bi wa mutimi bo tent be say bia be 20 company no omunyina be ba be yet sa test no ombe discount so what you say so there are some countries bia a day omutimi nya be millions of cedis. So what you say
tent na o
ma born because companies e bia ombe bo tent wa ha na bia say commercial higher e bia commercial area banks bebre ne supermarket bebre o ha e fancy bia Sakra bia shopping mall mo ye adwuma ho doso. So aja say ana say bia Guinness office be no ma ko tent be bia be 10 no more test workers no every 2 weeks. It was every month. Yeah, 20 cities more be test no more manya corona no na ye de munyina mako different your friends saying the outskirts of the town. So I just say, the outskirts of the town.
Said Ebola by no na other countries be
no nti the mukwa na ehon no so ya hwa wa near ya filter wa oni bi near the waba. So I just say wa the ebe recover no ye the waba. Sa ntina abo ma countries ni bo mo nyeska because there are foreigners within us. There are omo tu kwan a ebia o ye test omo airport no omo ba no na omo nibi omo beduru ebia na develop me test me omo bi omba na omo nya bi nti ebo ama hospitals ni nyama to an extent and to understand say ebeko yese kiwe obo person no akọ test hwe kiwe oho nti no asan onko biem. So I just say nti ni nyina where even to generate revenue to help fight the area no. What you say catch into the area no. And I say where anka tent no be boa ma nipa aware of it. American lottery bar said they want for CC tent. It tells na my mom ade na ekoso say ni na ekoso. You say America otimi ko ho ekoho say won so pese wo ye bia. You get it? And they make critical awareness be brave. There are some now Canadian. no kore say tents no be ma but oxygen some the oxygen the free fight oxygen nene oxygen board den o Ghana hospital chain bibia
and so say ne yenya den say the o church
no ono na dwen say ne ya ga ne yenya den ga say be
ne yenya den say scientists for Ghana na tie
ono ne la dwen developed countries go anya easy more Nigeria o kan anya easy sa
okay
so that say Nigeria work can enye easy sir but we say do no don yora bi wo fine so far as obitimi here dey ba me use ni dey it means we can be capable but who can dey anything who process anything who ade a ebetimi ya ka say ade a ya yi oxygen ampa and as enya ampa so what I say Ghana made as Ghana made the man for Ghana made ni because of say the easy no. You have to get the right way of doing it. What I say, and we don't always have to compare our country to certain country.
Now, one can compare with that also. Say, yes, it will be now, but I don't want to.
Of course, but you say retination. You retination how number of people in the country. Oh, so what I say the bear, what they compare. Who say your country be one more they have developed in a sense, say, economy no. I kesia cheni pay what I say there are certain countries that is no ntina den ye ko pay djuma ho so what I say but comparing the business Nigeria to Ghana population ye kakra bi esikafo ye sen ene wo mu so what I say how is even our hospitals and our laboratories and I say the professors anyway the pan no mu as compared to Nigeria. Nigeria, there are big doctors. Though high but Nigeria for to an extent, even some of the big doctors of foreign countries or like to get much numbers yes experiment no. By Hano Nigeria say penifoni bi wo ho no ma to kwan no ma yede. Me mako Nigeria nti minim de America omuntu kwan no makosa omho yare ahona omosa omho yare dodo na eso omho yare okuru eso omho yare amanim so I just because there are big hospitals Lagos omho you good so I just say by also nipa no ye no so no hoko so nti de na chese ya ebetimi ayibi ado na esi gina so eka kura ansa na sikasem kura sa abem what I say
no ka bibia no chese emte mampanyini aka bibia o chese oba besisi hospitals say the be ko ba no so bi yare nya partner so ne sa ne me ne to betimi atwa no so chese ye de ehia asa na de fata etisika na ko di go si hospitals rather than they say na ehia oxygen e dey save lives on fanya sa ne man na uhu ni se ne kan no
it depends on the policy of mugina so of DCC hospitals no. Say say the city it depends on the policy. That's not free education and so papa ex-president Mahama Ejai no DC blocks.
Okay.
But he knew that free education yangasa no our constitution him anangase e baso. What I say but he was preparing say we will see blocks na sana free education na bana ko mo kra de no be so being progressive free education. You get it? Nti obiara ne policy a ode nam. So on them about
it. Matter of life and death.
I know. Say a matter of life, they can't be serious so. Obiara ne policy a ode nam. Time na Akufo-Addo eka so obisi hospitals no. Na corona mai.
Okay.
You get it? Na corona mai. So ebetimi aba say omo ahase because adwuma no omunya ahase a na osa reverse ya because ngofo bi di omonsa ahye di normal bi ase ti say routes the boy rules ni bo no can we that say be ya implementing asem no so what I say so who knows say all those policies and all those infrastructures na ombe so musi no mo di kan de omonsa ahye ase awie won dem e pa che no the same as because say e-blocks no na ebia nanka express dem Mahama nyaya anka na Akufo-Addo amfa free education and be tunasi anhwe and go jai grad free education no grama nkwa no ko for so e ko double track ni ade ni binanka o maintaining na yi so what I say na so yeja e-blocks na si ho na yen developing yes ABC hospitals you see to be an policy but said the whole kana no say life and death. If only it is reversible, fine. Anka inyai said the all can.
Hospital building.
The sentence they are making. You can use the same money to generate another money. But there are some people in Ghana who will scapa. You can extract because there are certain shops in it. They will bring your tax. But what the tents in the now say, Obi Bano be test 20 Ghana and I say, and 50 Ghana. Ube generate sika in various societies, in various communities, as can be back. So what I say to save the people and also to generate money. So all the American and I told the same way I can ankaye, but I politics. So ankaye, but Nina Jina say, Ubiane said you sit to normal. You can't force the person to reverse what he is ready to do.
Okay.
What I say, just a what in the panano as another who dear. Koswa bit me aboama obit me jai kora nanka.
Any pan church the man
what I say because the can is attent here making the intima me jina swaka and kebebo papa.
Okay.
And kebebo at say said ye polio and nana maybe kora me suggest say adentina yen ko afiefiem said ye ko afiefiem polio no sa no man enko test. So
various because say time of coronavirus by you know Ghana we send contact tracing kakra ye hu bi Minister of Health so many implications kakra amanfo bi so da boy chire so omoboa si Ghana e contact tracing no ene ne sa ne manema no it is e bi on ka say omo ko fi mo kwa test dey a check say the polio omo ye ne na say we dey omo kwa test no ye test we ya ji uska.
Oh, said the all can say Munya hospital sino. The same thing on but when you use car.
Okay, so
what I say. And even your news car contact tracing no mujiska na no munis.
No mujiska better no ya uncle you scan sound coin.
The scanner sound coin was I say polio no mujiska. It's the same thing. If the sika or honoma they are fine. But say abontin different from so akoni panifi. And the nipa na wo ho no aye den oba. But the abontin na American dey nipa na na beba. Na say be only company ni be kan be say be testimony na. Be nipa be company bu ho no nipa be 500. O dey we be say be Angel FM, she multimedia, she TV stations yi. So ho mu nyina ye be say be testimony. So na fe tent ni si omo aboboa no. Obia amra oba na attest o na atwo din ndi mbewie ne bia company no nko ano aboka be 300 million 500 million because for their own good and to help the nation too. So what I say because omo ho no ko to be omo akotest omo ho and the company omo insurance and other things to secure their well-being.
Okay.
So what I say it nkani nyina ebe boa ma enye sika no nko ebe boa ma yare na ekoso no ekosoro na so ayeden ati wako market sisi na de abesi ho wa announce ni ye say dem ma fu for so wa announce ni ye na fe because they say easy tester dey adne ye atwanso no more test ye wa hanom no mutimi ko test your friend is saying market women food and vendors then they ko hwese we neat ni ade bibia ni moje you know they always do it omo pre laboratory to be a ben na o ma ye na afi mani nyina betese to lo bi obo yare a na afi wa basa hospital ho na afi wa cure so that be am fa yare no the same thing should be done.
Okay.
Nke beboa so what I say nti nice idea but
yeah dey so no
the American say all kasa oxygen in sensem ni nyina ja do ano don yore bi wo na nso so danke ye tu sa na mo na ade a yenim se bitimi aboa yen life everlasting. Everlasting. India make everlasting. This is a critical oxygen. Anka, your friend is saying, "Ebe use watch it. Ebe generate be other countries almost unhumusad maybe omba beto free ho." There's so many things about board development.
Okay.
So if say possible, there anka the all can here. Tents now all can here. Who be missy Dubai?
Separate nitrogen if oxygen
na. Sir, say nipa you be in oxygen and you give out carbon dioxide. And say the all can. And tent now all can say Dubai ebi wo ho. The same because companies no only generate sika ba. And I want say Dubai baby asa I am manfra kakra nti companies ni bo a foreign company and yama government need generate scapa. There are so many strategies and can be during this COVID era. So there Mama or mine no
sika hodo a bi akọ member aye abano elusi no
again what there are so many people more companies do and case on test on workers on test on workers but as more ba na more koronko na hono sika ko gina ho so within the country no your kofobu and case on test on workers nyina banks the whole Ghana banks they wo hanyina they have to test their workers. Because to say almost this scammer, no, the crazy come ye bibia. So I just say, every 2 weeks, I could take a crowd so it will save us, and save the country as well, economically, both economically and health wise.
I do. And I just say, you must see her. I am now the comment about when I go to Super Junior, I drink, says Nigeria for etimia your own oxygen, dear Ghana. I was here to pay away some means to be near the idea, said the bay amount for our door or more complaints here, when oxygen you won't to meet me a chana. Says I tell the comment about me, the Ajua, a champoma, you ever say, share.